If you're new here, welcome to our channel, Derek and Cole, where we like to travel, tour, and explore new things each and every week. Derek told me we were pulling into port in Cozumel, Mexico, so I ran up to deck 4. He's watching from a higher deck just to see us pulling into the dock. He said the little pilot boat was leading us in. You can see more ocean out there. You can see some of the other boats, ferries, catamarans. So I keep hearing like a big bang. So I think either those are maybe like anchors dropping or like the tie ropes going out. I'm not 100% sure. You can see them bringing over our little bridge for people to get off the ship on. That's so exciting. Only like a few more feet till we touch. Let's see, are we gonna feel a big boom? Okay, so it's day 4 on the Disney Treasure. We just got to Cozumel, Mexico, and we're going to be going on our very first excursion. I am so excited to take you guys along with us, and I'm so happy that we're actually having nice weather. It's beautiful out. I went up on the deck. It was already very hot out. I am going to be filming on my iPhone today. I just don't want to take a lot of like video equipment and stuff like that with us on the excursion. After we take a 40-minute ride to kind of a resort, we're going to take this Dune buggy or some type of buggy car out and about on an adventure. We're gonna go to Mayan ruins, a cenote, and then hang out on the beach and have some barbecue before coming back to the ship at 5 o'clock. And yeah, we're just gonna take you along with us for everything and just hopefully have an absolutely amazing day. You can see a little boat out there right now kind of going past our ship. We've already seen so many catamarans. There's a Royal Caribbean cruise parked next to us, and they let them off the ship really early. We're not getting off till 9:15, so I actually have to let you go. And we're gonna run upstairs for our excursion, and like I said, just take you along with us for everything, just show you, I guess, just how everything's done. This is our first cruise, so we're kind of newbies, so I thought it'd be nice to make a video just showing you guys everything too, in case you're new at cruising as well. My water shoes are on and we are ready to go. Okay, so we got to our excursion meet area at around 9:11. We were supposed to be there at 9:15, and we're already walking like to get off the ship at 9:18. So when they tell you to be on time for your excursions, definitely be on time. Okay, so we just got off the ship. We're waiting for some more people for our excursion, but you can see the treasure is right there behind me, and then over there we have the Royal Caribbean ship. But we're so excited to go on our first adventure of this trip. Look at that other cruise ship over there. Okay, so we just got to Kuza. You can see the water behind me is crystal clear. It is so hot. We are dripping wet. We have about an hour until our buggy excursion, and then we'll be back at the beach for some more fun, but so excited to kind of enjoy our time here. It's not super long. When we get back to the port, we might go to a few shops, but so far it is so nice. I would definitely, I think, pick this excursion to do if you come to Cozumel. I will say where the lounge chairs are to the water, it's probably like 30 feet. It's nothing really at all. So it's super nice, super convenient. Again, I think this is a great excursion in Cozumel. I would definitely come here. So it's Kuza. Again, we're gonna take some like buggy cars here in a little bit, get some food, hopefully see some Mayan ruins even. Maybe we'll see some animals. They said do not feed the raccoons. If you feed one raccoon, you'll have a whole like herd of raccoons around you. But hopefully we see some nature. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Kuza if you are interested. So when we came on the buses, they brought us, like, I think the buses dropped us off over here. We took like a little tram all the way over here to the beach, which is absolutely stunning, this beach. Let's see, so here is everything. All the activities, wellness. It's absolutely beautiful though. Okay, are you excited about your first time at a cenote? We've wanted to get a cenote for years.
Yeah, we'll see what it looks like.
Each push the whole way back. Wait, where is it? Right there. Push the whole way back. He said hit it a couple times if we hear a clack, clack, clack noise. Foot on the brake to start. And we're ready to go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a few things that I wanted to call out about our excursion. So first of all, we are riding in a Polaris RZR side-by-side kind of off-road vehicle. 4 people can fit per vehicle, but we went with 2, and there is only an opportunity for 2 people to drive. You do leave the main resort area, so you have to have a driver's license because we were driving on main roads with other cars, trucks, buses, etc. And on your way to the Cenote and Mayan ruins, you will be going pretty fast. So they give you a helmet and goggles because dirt definitely does kind of come up and you will get a little bit dirty, and there is no like windshield or anything like that to protect you from the dirt. It was super fun to kind of drive around Mexico on some main roads, some back roads. We do go off-roading here in a little bit that you'll see, but you definitely have to be a little bit brave to do this. It's definitely a thrilling adventure. You need to be in good health. There was another couple or group on our trip, and a woman in that group had a hurt knee, so she actually had to go back to the cruise ship a little bit early because this adventure was just a little bit too rough for her. Claudio was our tour guide for this excursion, and he was so great. He was so friendly, told us about the area, told us about all the animals we saw on this tour, and made sure we just had a great time. Overall, I would give this excursion a 10 out of 10. It was so much fun, and we got to explore areas of Mexico we would have never seen on our own.
The spot when you can jump if you like, it's around 20-25 feet. Okay, so right here, my friends, in case you like jump, you need jump like so, and you make a fire at the middle. The Mayans drop some plants.
You can view the cenote from above, but just as an FYI, if you want to get down close to the water, you do have to walk down a pretty steep stairway, but you don't have to. You can always sit at some of the observation areas above. It was kind of fun going down here, seeing some of the fish, feeling how cold the water was. Our tour guide Claudio told us that the water is about 80 feet deep here, and if you jump from the top, it is about a 20-25 foot jump. But look at all the little fish.
No, I didn't touch the bottom. I lost my water shoes. Well, I didn't lose my water shoes. Coming off.
What?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at its little face. It looks like a niffler. Oh my god, its little face is so cute. Hi. You are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at him just hanging out. This iguana is like a yellowy orange color. He's just hanging out, chilling. Oh my god, he's just looking at us. That's so cute. He has like a mohawk down his back. Oh, look at his tongue. Oh my God, he just stuck out his tongue.
Yeah.
He's like a dinosaur. So we didn't stay at the Cenote too long before we were back in our off-road vehicle heading back to Kuza. I will say the drive back was even a little bit more thrilling than the drive there. It was really fun. Claudio took us on some trails that were real rugged. We went through a little town, so we got to see a lot of different things again we would not have gotten to see if we didn't go on this excursion and didn't have Claudio as our tour guide. And just like that, we were back at the Kuza resort, ready to have some lunch and ready to go enjoy the ocean because it is absolutely beautiful here. And although we had such a great time doing this off-road excursion, going to see the cenote, I will say, if you just want to do the day pass to Kuza, I definitely think that's worth it too. I think if we come back here, we would actually do that just to get to explore the beach a little bit more and hang out at the resort. Okay, so we are back from the cenote, from like our ATV excursion. Now we are in the ocean. It is so beautiful and clear and so warm. We're so hot and sweaty. We just also had a like Mexican buffet, but we ate really fast because we don't have much time left in the ocean, but it feels so nice to be in the water. Derek, what do you think about the water?
It's a little chilly, but
Tiny bit chilly, but not bad at all. I think, ew, don't you dare. It's gross. But oh my God, I love it here. I never want to leave. Yeah, there's a lot of jet skis and boats going by, but it feels so nice though and refreshing. I will say the ATV tour was super fun, but we were so hot, just because it's super hot out. So it's really nice to get in the water. Okay, Derek just pointed out this is what we did. Bye to the island.
all right, everybody together right now. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo, los corazones. There you go, perfect. Big applause for everybody. Okay, hey, good try, good try. First time, it's very hard, very hard.
So after we did a little shopping in San Miguel, we were walking back to the treasure, and I just had to show you guys Enchantment of the Sea. It's super windy, so I'm gonna voice over this, but Enchantment of the Sea just looks so small compared to our big Disney cruise ship. And the Disney Treasure isn't even one of the biggest ships. The Disney Adventure is coming out, and that's gonna be even bigger. So that's gonna wrap up this video and our time in Cozumel, Mexico. Kuza was an amazing resort. I would highly recommend checking it out. I would get a day pass there or even go on one of their excursions because it was absolutely great. As we pull out of port, we're getting ready for Pirate Night, which is gonna be in part 2 of this video. Make sure you stay tuned next week to see us in all of our pirate gear. We go to dinner on Pirate Night, so you'll get to see what the menus are like for that and just all the fun that there is to do on the Disney Treasure. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye guys.